Hey Tesla stock, where you can expect the unexpected opportunities every day. Opportunity to buy the dip. That is a little bit of a true story here about Grandma. She never loses a trade in her small cash account, and she doesn't either. When you feel like the sky is falling and Tesla may never stop going down, and you say enough of this, just remember Grandma is holding. Yep, she's holding, and yes, she is buying the dip. If you want to do fantastic like Grandma, click the link in the description and provide Grandpa with your phone number. He will send you buy and sell points using text for less than $1 a day. If you would please like, share, and subscribe, and remember Grandpa is not a financial planner, and don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Man, we had movement today. You can make money in this stock anytime you have a stock that does movement like Tesla does, up and down. The day traders just love Tesla if they're on the right side of it, unless you're Grandma, of course, who just makes money. She never loses. Had a high to low today. We had movement from high to low of $23.50 today. We had a high of $450. We had a low of $426.50, and we closed at $431.66 in the red. Big-time indexes were down substantially today, but Tesla underperformed everything. Yes, it did, and we had divergence. Volume increased on lower prices. 82 million shares were bought and sold, 7 million less than the day before. The average volume of Tesla is 90.5 million daily, so we're a little under that. It's still somewhat low volume, but I think we're going to probably dip down a little bit more here before this thing turns. The dominant trend is up, however. I'll show you this 4-hour chart right here, and we're going to talk about the dominant trend, and I'll come right back to this 4-hour chart. Oh, where'd it go? There it is right there. This is each candle is 1 day. This is a daily chart, and we do have a buy signal now in this daily. We have a buy signal in the weekly and the monthly, so the dominant trend is currently still up. But we have what's called a bear flag, and there it is, 1 red candle, 1 day worth. Will we get another red candle? Very likely. It looks to Grandpa like we're kind of moving sideways, if you want to know the truth. But the bottom of that bus right here is about $415. Keep that in mind. That might just be where we're headed for an awfully good buying opportunity. If we break through the $425, that's our next stopping point, would be the $415. So let's see, pivot point. Well, they switched it up on us with this big drop. The new top pivot point, well, your top pivot point is $488.54, and now we are looking for a new bottom pivot point. Now that can be $410.23, the most recent. If we break that $410.23, you might get to buy shares in the $250 to $300 range. Possible. Don't want to scare you, but it's reality. All Grandpa can do is give you somewhat reality, and Grandpa's not right all the time. I hate to tell you that. Our most recent, if it will hold, is $302.70 down below that. Our bottom pivot point, $302.70. No, it is $402.70. What is wrong with Grandpa? So $402.70 was your previous low pivot point, and so $410.23, that's our If we go through that, you could be looking for it to try to head for the other pivot point down below, which is the $302.70. That's what I was trying to say. Volume. 82 million today bought and sold, 75 million the previous day, 59 million the previous day of that, and then 70 million. So we've had fairly low volumes, which Grandpa used as a bullish indication. But what we need to see here is a few days of 50 million volume area, and once we get a few days of 50 million volume, get ready, get on the bus because this thing will turn, and we will go uphill. We're kind of muddling around just above that 50 million range, real close, and they're going to bore us to death till we all throw our hands up in the air, except for Grandma, and give up. They want you to give up because why? Every time you sell a share and give up your position, either the market makers, the big money guys, they're buying them. They're buying them all because they know where Tesla's going. They know thousands in their new future. They know tens of thousands in the near future, and so on. The market makers and Grandma, they're buying. She's buying every little share she can get with her little cash account, and she just gets richer and richer and richer. She never lost a trade, and the way she trades, she never will because she does not give her shares away. She keeps them. She keeps her shares. They can't buy them, and they have to raise the price up if they want Grandma's shares. They got to raise the price up so that she makes a profit. That's just the way the game is played with Grandma. Fair opening price for today, for Monday, the 30th, is going to be $436.50. I'll repeat that. The fair opening price for Monday, the 30th, will be $436.50. I believe we will hit that number. I believed it yesterday too, though. Grandpa was really calculating the fair opening price, and when this thing doesn't do the fair opening price, it's usually off by 10 to 15 bucks, and we managed to do that today. Our fair opening price for today was $46.83, and we opened at $450.